I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Song Jinwu in Anime Vanguards. Song Jinwu is a highly sought-after mythic rarity unit, allowing you to place up to 3 on the field. His initial passive ability, Job Request, boosts his damage by 0.1% for each enemy he defeats, accumulating up to a 40% increase. The key to his full power lies in upgrading him 7 times to achieve his Monarch evolution. Once evolved, Song Jinwu gains several unique skills. His Necromancer passive automatically adds defeated enemies to your shadow army. The Arise active ability allows you to summon these collected shadows, with each summon costing 40 mana from his 100 mana bar. You regain 2% of your total mana each time an enemy is defeated, making strategic mana management crucial for continuous summoning. The Monarch evolution significantly enhances Song Jinwu, granting him 3 additional abilities. The King of the Shadow passive provides a 2.5% damage increase for every enemy a summoned shadow defeats, capping at 25%. Beyond basic shadows, you can summon specialized units like Steel, a defensive guard healer, who restores 5% health to allies every 5 seconds, and Baru, a powerful attacker whose health and damage grow with each summon. To master Song Jinwu, focus on placing him where he can secure many kills early to quickly build his damage buff. Use the Arise ability strategically to flood the field with shadows, creating a formidable army. Efficiently manage his mana by balancing summons with enemy takedowns, ensuring a continuous flow of reinforcements to dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.